syrup eat fruit?
I don't think so. I totally forgot my camera today, so we're vlogging on the phone. We did a office renovation with the Story Girls.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Good. I'm very excited to do this place.
I am very excited as well. This is the studio for my clothing brand, Uncle Studios. We do all of our work here, so like sit at the desk and do all of our work, and then we also do shoots here. There's a lot going on. It is a very rough and raw space. It's definitely a little dirty. We've been here a few months, but it's just, we haven't had the time to put it together, so I'm happy that you guys are doing it. I think we want to keep it like really minimal because there is a lot going on and a lot of people in here all the time. All right, we're in the office. Shrin came and we're going to see the big reveal that the Story Girls did. Took them 2 days.
Like superhuman.
I'm just gonna show the door and then be like, and look at the video for.
That's great.
Just like what? Yeah.
You hear that, Stephen?
You hear that, Stephen? Yeah, we're excited because I mean, you guys saw the studio before. It was definitely a little dirty, a little gross. So
Tag character, right?
yeah, character. All right, I'm gonna text them right now.
Like?
This looks so good.
It's your own reveal now.
Come on.
Why does it feel brighter?
Because there's studio lights. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Holy fuck! This is the same.
Way better reaction
I was
than
gonna
me.
say, this is a better reaction. Wow! You guys are like magicians. Holy fuck, 2 days.
Yeah, it was a lot.
A tight 2 days, but I can't wait to get to work here. This is insanely nice. Shut the front door. It's like out of a magazine. Holy shit. Look at that mirror. And this tub. Oh my god. Even this fucking painting. I'm obsessed, guys. This is insane. That is so cute.
Isn't that cute?
That is so cute. Guys, this is stunning.
Come on in. Oh my god. Come on in, Justin. Bobby, what's your reaction?
I'm really surprised and I'm really excited.
Okay, waiting for the best part, the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, the bath. Oh, is someone in here?
No.
Whoa, cozy. We have to draw a bath.
Cool. Did they paint the bath?
So nice, right?
Oh my god, I'm gonna work in here.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Good morning. I haven't really vlogged this week, even though I've had a lot going on. You guys saw that the Story Girls redid our studio, and if you want to see the final finished product, go watch their whole studio makeover. I will link it down below, but our studio looks so beautiful, and you guys saw the reactions of the whole team, it was just such a great feeling to see the team like super excited about their new space, especially because like I'm not there every day, but they are, so yeah, really cool. It is bloody cold in Toronto. Oh my fucking god, it is so cold. I am like, I don't know. I'm also going to Paris on Saturday. I'm a little nervous to travel just with everything that's going on. Welcome to Paris. Welcome to Paris. Beautiful, sunshiny Paris. I'm so hungry. It's Dan time. Hello everyone. I'm extremely unwell. We got to Paris yesterday. It poured rain all day yesterday. We pretty much just like waited around for a room, and then Sasha wanted to go to this jewelry store, so she got some jewelry, which was actually really cute. It was called You Lu Yitu. I'll leave it on the screen or down below. And then I got my period last night, and now I want to die. I'm literally in so much pain. I threw up this morning. It's going well. Started a new birth control. It's kind of weird that you have to start a birth control on the first day of your period. I have a meeting soon. The fact that I have to go to this meeting when I feel like this, I'm unwell. That's the life update. I'm trying to shove down this bread so I can take an Advil. Happy first day in Paris. That was on the other side of my head. Like I hit it here last time. I'm done with these lights. I'm unwell. Tears are literally going out of my fucking eye. Okay, let's go. All right. I have a concussion now. Oh my god, look how...
Yeah, you loosened the...
Look, this one's not bad.
And so last season we decided to give it a more modern feeling. For example, a bigger bamboo or bigger lapels, give it more modern-y, small but big. Also with patterns of leather to keep in mind the ready-to-wear collection.
I made Sasha guess what I want because I'm such a bitch. She's very mad. I'm hoping she turns around. Switched hotel rooms to a nicer hotel room so I can take some content in there, just brighter. And now we're on our way to take some Instagram photos. It's like a pretty nice day, kind of. Not super sunny, but pretty beautiful. It looks so dark. It looks like the castle from Zelda. When you're like a teen in Zelda. Oh, this is Butte. Very hard to tell. No, this like doesn't do any justice, you know. No. So pretty. Look how pretty this is, guys. It's also fucking freezing. I'm so over winter. Just shot photos and then right when I was done, the sun came out. We're heading back. We have the Lacoste show today, so to get ready, I want to shoot some content in the hotel room, but I think we got some cute photos. Now we are walking to pickup location for Uber. It is so cold and I was like just getting content with no coat, and I think I have hypothermia now, so that's good. This is my look for the Lacoste show. We are leaving now. I just called an Uber. Lacoste, Longchamp, Lacoste. Oh my god, my sunglasses. No. He's right there. We're going home. We were just in Paris for a few days. My bag was obviously overweight, even though I didn't even bring that much stuff. That's really all I got for you today. Took some photos this morning. If you want to see them, they'll be on Instagram. Back to cold ass Canada, but where are we going in a few weeks? Yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't know how long this vlog is. I don't know how good it is. Might be shit. Might be amazing. I don't know. I just find out when Steven sends it to me. Okay, bye. Peace, love y'all. Bye.